Hey everybody, I have the July Whiff box here that I'm going to open up for you so you can see what's inside. So the theme this month is Dream Big, Live Happy. And there is a scent pack in the Cloudberry Dreams fragrance. Scent packs are great for your drawer or your car or your locker or your gym bag. There's also a fragrance flower. So I like to put the fragrance flowers in my bathroom in the little room, the little water closet where the toilet is, because there's no outlet in there, so I can put the fragrance flowers in there. There's also a Just Breathe hand cream. This one's really refreshing. It's like eucalyptus and mint. There's two Scentsy bars. The first one is Make a Splash. And there's also Lake My Day. These are both from the Fresh Fragrance family. And then they put in a little sneak peek of the fragrance for August, which is Pink Leather. So it's a little sample of the wax for next month's special. All right, so that's the Whiff box for July. Whiff boxes are good if you want to get a discount on multiple items and also try new fragrances. So they're $35, but I get mine half off because I put it in my club order. So if you join Scentsy Club, you get 10% off anything over $30, and you also get a half price item on orders over $60. So if you're buying Scentsy like on a regular basis for your home, Scentsy Club is a great option. All right, guys, take care.